Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Silver Trading. This is AUD USD 1 minute chart. We are on a 1 minute chart, but let me take you back to 1 hour. What is happening? This is how 1 hour looks like. I decided to enter this market because now we are at the extreme, and then there are two things that are really happening. See, let me change it. See that region together with that region. It is inverted head and shoulder. Let me make it clear. We have this, we have that one, move this one. So I really expect the market to proceed. That is what compelled me to enter that market. But let us check on lower time frames. If we start with 1 minute, we can check. The market is really at really extreme region. See, so I expect it to reverse at any time. Then we'll be in profit, and then let us now go to 5 minutes. You can see that our shoulder is now appearing very clearly. This is that our shoulder, our head. This is one of the shoulders. The other shoulders is at the extreme. So let us go to 15 minutes. Now you can see at 15 minutes the weight is very clear. So I expect this market to reverse, going back, and then to break this region. So that one is a sniper entry. That one is not an entry for anyone. That is an entry for those who have experience. But if you're still new, the safest entry that you can have is for this market to come out, come back, retest. Then when it turns, you will enter somewhere here, which will be very, very safe. Or you can make your entry here, then your stop loss should be somewhere here. That is what we expect for you to be on a safe side. So when you come back to our 1 hour chart, let me demonstrate. So you'll wait for this market to come and break, retest, then move. So your first entry, let me give it a different color. Let us give it green. So if you're still a beginner, you can enter somewhere here when the market is going to reverse, or a very safe zone here. those are two, but this one here, the third one first, this is second, this is the third. First one is very safe for a new beginner, first and second. The third one, only those who know what they are doing. That one is for pro. But those extremes are very good. So try to consider 1 and 2. But being that I've understood my strategy so long, I know what I'm doing. So this is the strategy we are using, and the currency we are having is AUD USD. So we've bought, we are waiting for the market to change the direction. So I want to give you some of the conditions, then I will give you the settings of this strategy. Some of the conditions to observe: 1, on window indicator we have two indicators. One is stochastic, the other one is Ichimoku. So Ichimoku is going to tell us the extremes of the market, whether the market is oversold or overbought. Like in this region, the market was at peak, which means we had to reverse and sell. It is this region. And then also when you observe at this region, the market has been at extreme levels, which is now this region. So the market has been oversold, so we need to buy, because we expect it to reverse coming back, just the way this one reversed. So those are the cycles of the market: extreme high, extreme low. So those ones are supposed to influence our judgment in entry into the market. That is first condition. The other condition, we have to come back to the main chart. So on the main chart, I have those moving averages, which I'm going to give you the settings later. But at first, I want to show you how things are moving. So this one is 200 moving average. This one is 60. Let me use this other cursor. So this one is 200, this one is 60. Simple. The purple one, the red one is 200 moving average. The purple one is 60. Simple moving average. So to demonstrate to you how it works, we can see the market came, then we broke, we came down, then we had a retest before these two joined and we broke down. So like in this scenario, our entry, you see, like this region where I've entered is extreme at that, because I know this strategy very well, I understand it very well. But to you who is new, this was the region you could have entered the number 2 that I gave, or you could have waited and entered here, a very safe zone, after those two crosses. Because in market we usually have exponential. In market we have different parts of the market. We usually have reaccumulation phase, and then exponential phase. So our target is usually to ride on exponential phase, but you are supposed to be very keen at a reaccumulation phase. You identify reaccumulation phase and when it breaks out. So in this market, this was the reaccumulation phase. I will draw it bold. It is coming out clearly. So this one was the reaccumulation phase. Then we broke out, came back to retest, then moved down. So for you to do better entries, you must be able to know when when the market is breaking out of reaccumulation phase. Then you observe it. When it comes back from that region, now from that time, now you have a good chances of better entries. So you can enter somewhere here and your stop loss up, or you'll wait for a very safe zone at that region. Let me so this is the very safe zone, and then this one is when the market has broken out of reaccumulation. It breaks out, comes, so you can enter at that region, or another entry can be done somewhere there. Then you ride your market. So those are the two. So on a safe zone, so we'll have to wait for these crosses. When these crosses are about to occur, then you make your entry. You make your entry somewhere there. When they cross, then this other region, this impulse is very safe for you. You can ride it over, and there is where you'll make your profit. I hope that one is well understood. That is what we are still waiting here, but I know the crosses are about to occur. That is why I did a sniper entry. So if you go to 15, that is a 15-minute chart. On 15-minute chart, you can see the formation of these two things. So we had a head. This was our head. This a shoulder. This a shoulder. So what do we expect this market to reverse? That is why I did my entry at this region. So let us go back to, so those are two. I have about, on the main chart I have about 4 moving averages. 2 are overlaying the candlestick to make them more visible, being that now on this strategy we are not that much based on the candlestick, but we are based, our interest in the direction of the market. But these are the two, the purple one and the red one are more visible. So I'm going to give you their settings. So let us go back. We can see the same changes. We can see like this region, the market broke, it came back to retest. So if you know how to enter, you could have entered there, or wait at this safe zone, then you write. You can see the same also at this region. The same again. Here. That is why I have confidence in this strategy. You can also see the same. So that one is fine. So let us go back to the settings. So in the main chart, let me go back. So this is MetaTrader 5. On MetaTrader 5, what you do, so we have this sign. I don't know, I will draw it here. Sorry. So we have this sign, and then when you press it, you come to this F. This F, you press that F toward any indicator that you want. Like if I press it like that, sorry, if I press it like that, then I'm able to access the indicators. So we have, on the main chart, we have 4 moving averages. On the window, indicator window, we have 2 moving averages. Not moving average, we have 2 indicators. So the first indicator, the first moving average on the main chart, these are the settings. Period is supposed to be 3, shift 0, method exponential, apply should be typical price, style, you'll choose any color of your liking, those ones alone, then you save. Second moving average, we are going to have 60, shift is going to be 0, method is simple, apply is close, style, you'll choose the pixel of your liking and the color, then you save. Then our third moving average, we are going to have 7, 0 simple, close, style your liking, and then the color that you desire. The last one is going to be 200, simple close. I gave it 4 pixel, purple. So those ones are on the main chart. So your main chart is supposed to look like that. So on the window indicator, we are going to have first stochastic oscillator. So those are the settings. K percentage period 1, D percentage period is 1, slowing is 1, price field low high method is simple. Then the other ones you give the background. The main and the signal styles, you give the background, the color of the background of your platform. And then the levels, we are going to have those 20, 80, and 50. And then you save. The next one is going to be Ichimoku. So with Ichimoku, you are going to unfill it. So the settings are 9, 6, 52. So on this region, you ensure it is unfilled. Yeah, unfilled. And then this other one only takes 10 can sen is supposed to have color. The other ones are supposed to carry the color of the background of your platform. So after that, you have your indicators. Try to backtest it. You see how the market is performing. So that is how our market is. So that one is on 4-hour chart. So guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly take a minute and subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you so much. Have a good trading day. Bye.